overseas,
Oh, yeah.
I think, and Odelia something on. So she told us she's not coming. So anyway, we'll just continue. Right, we were on systems. Okay, so remember we did two different types of systems. What were the two that we did?
The
circulatory
system
as well
and
as
the
the
respiratory.
respiratory. Very good. Okay, so today we're going to go through this other part. All right, the reproductive system. So first of all, we need to understand about reproduction. So how do animals reproduce? Okay, you can see animals like plants reproduce to ensure continuity of their kind. Okay, so that is the reason for the where's my highlighter? The reason for ensure continuity of their kind. Okay? Yeah. Okay, why do they reproduce? To ensure continuity of their kind. Just like plants.
To prevent extinction.
Yeah, prevent extinction. So it is like their instinct, right, to reproduce, right? So you have the young, the adult and the young over here, you can see over there. Okay, so some reproduce by laying eggs or giving birth to their young alive. Now, for those type of animals that give birth to their young alive, what do we call them?
Mammal.
Mammals. Very good. That's correct. Okay, next.
Mammals.
Yeah, so different kinds of animals lay different kinds of eggs as well. Eggs may be different colors, sizes, and shapes, as you can see from the picture here, right? You have the hen, the frog, right? Okay, here's some pictures, right? So the eggs. So some animals lay eggs in water,
Wow.
right?
It's not.
It's a
It's
frog.
not. It's not.
In water, the frog lays the eggs in water. So some
Wow, it's a frog.
eggs are produced by female animals. Some animals just lay eggs and their young hatch from the eggs. Okay, as you can see from the
No, don't open it yet.
wake up. Okay, can you name me any other animals where the young just hatch from the egg? Can you see the young here? No, cannot see that. It's like the parrot.
Owl. Bird.
Yeah. Okay, very
Owl.
simple. Okay,
I think
example
owl.
birds and snakes. So other animals do not lay eggs. Right? The eggs remain inside the body of the female. By this part. Okay, some the eggs remain inside the body of the female animal and develop into young animals in the body. Okay, example mammals right? Dog, cat, rabbit. So the egg is inside. So the egg is inside. Whereas for some of them, the eggs are outside. Okay, next. Alright, so both male and female are needed in reproduction. This is actually known as, okay, there's another type of reproduction called asexual. Have you heard of that before?
No.
When you have a male and a female,
I have before.
male and a female, this is sexual
You must have said
reproduction.
No, it's in the science book.
Asexual, okay, this means there's male and female.
Oh, is that
This one?
plants?
Huh?
Plants. Right?
What is this?
Plants.
Plants have male, female, flower.
I don't know.
So there are some organisms that don't have male and female. Give you an example. Yeast. Yeast don't have, there's no male female, but they can reproduce. Right? Bacteria, yeah, very good. Alright, bacteria. Okay, so whatever we're talking about here is this, where there's male and female. Yes.
Are you teaching this because they aren't here?
No. What do you mean? No, I planned for this. I prepared. I didn't know that they are not here today. Right?
Did you make this yourself?
What? All this stuff? Yeah, these are found everywhere. Right? Okay, so we continue. So female animals produce eggs, or male animals produce sperms. Okay, so this is something you need to understand. So female produce eggs, male produce sperms. So when the sperm from the male joins with an egg, we call this fertilization. Okay, you can see these keywords. All these are keywords.
Male animals are keywords.
No. The fertilization will take place when the eggs from the female and the sperm from the male, they meet. Right, they meet. So fertilization will take place. So this fertilization can take place when the egg is still inside. That is for most mammals. The fertilization can also take place when the egg is outside. Okay? Right? So for example, the frog and fish. So in PSLE, they love to ask things like internal fertilization. So internally fertilized or externally fertilized. Okay? So which one is externally fertilized? This one, frog, fish. Externally fertilized. So for example, just now we saw the picture of the frog, right? So the female will lay the eggs outside, eggs everywhere. Then the male will come and fertilize the eggs. Okay, it's not like mammals. Right, let's continue. Okay, so here's an example diagram. How a fertilized egg develops into a chick, right? So embryo, and from the embryo, right, which we know it as the egg. Okay, outside is the egg white. This is the egg yolk, right? The egg yolk is the one that grows into this little chick, right? So the embryo develops into the chick. The yolk provides food for the developing chick. Right? The embryo is actually this tiny little dot. Okay, don't think that the yolk is the chick. This one, the embryo is the one that grows to become a chick.
So what happens to the yolk?
Huh?
So what happens to the yolk?
It's a nutrient. Provides food for the chick. It's food for the chick. Right? So when you eat the egg yolk, egg white, you're just eating the food that's meant for the chick. You're not eating the chick. You understand? Unless you see. Sometimes you can see embryo like one tiny little black stuff over there. Okay, and there are some in some countries people actually eat half developed chicks. Have you seen that before?
I have never seen that.
Yeah, so what they do is they have the eggs fertilized, and then because it takes about 21 days. You can see here. It takes 21 days for the egg to be fertilized, and after that hatch into a chick. What they do is they wait until like 18 days.
No, God.
Yeah, then so the egg, the chick is like develops, and then they go and eat the whole thing. They cook the whole thing. So when they crack open, it's like the chick. Oh, they really have. Then I can show you photographs.
How do you wait for it to come out and then you kill it?
Do you have a cup?
Yes, we have.
May I have one?
Yes, you have it. Okay, later. Let's finish this. Okay, so the whole process takes 21 days. Now, from this concept, you also learn this word called what do you call that? Okay, we also learn the concept that it takes time, right, for the young to be developed before they can so-called emerge into the external environment, right? So for chick, it's 31 days. Human beings, fetus, 9 months, right? So there's a different. The word is gestation. Gestation period. Gestation. Gestation. So gestation period is the number of days it takes for the embryo to develop before it can come out into the external environment. If you don't reach the full gestation period, like for example 21 days, when the chick comes out premature, the chick will not survive. Okay, so for human beings, fetus, most of the time it is 9 months. I say most of the time. Why? Because due to our advancement in technology, it is now possible. Okay, so it's possible that even
4 weeks early.
Yeah, that even if you are early, you'll be fine. You're okay, right? But if it was like in the olden days, the fetus, the baby will have to rely on luck. Whether the fetus will survive. It depends on luck. But nowadays, not an issue. Even smaller, like even before maybe like 7 months, also possible. It's just that the baby is really tiny, right? They put them in the incubator for at least 1 or 2 months. Yeah, for 1 or 2 months. Supply it with the nutrients, right? Wait until it is bigger, then the parents will carry the baby home. Okay, so gestation period, right? Different animals has got different gestation period. Next. Here. Okay, so fertilized eggs needs to be kept warm for the young to develop. So some female animals lay eggs and then incubate them. For example, the hen, duck, and the swan, right?
Looks like the hen is shitting eggs.
Exactly.
Yeah, it does look like that, right? If you have watched the video, have you seen the videos before?
No.
No? No.
Then why would I want to see?
Yeah, you take a look, right? So for some animals, it is the duty of both the male and female to keep the eggs warm. For others, it's the duty of the male to incubate the eggs, right? So other examples, female animals, they lay eggs and bury them, right? Example, the turtle, the tortoise. Okay, so in Malaysia, it is it's something like a tourist destination to go and see the buried turtles, right? Climb out of the eggshell, yeah, and then crawl to the sea. Okay, it's a
And I
tourist
know.
thing.
There's a
Yeah,
lot of predators.
yeah, there are a lot of predators, and they are not supposed to. Tourists are not supposed to go and disrupt the process, to disturb the process. Why? Because if you go and disturb the process, you think that, oh, I'm now saving the turtles. Then what's going to happen to the prey of the turtles? You know, when the turtles grow up, right? What do? They have to eat stuff, right? Yeah. So if you disrupt the whole process, you know, the whole cycle is being disrupted. So they're not supposed to go and disturb the turtles, right? Or the predators of the turtles, right? They should just let it be. Okay. Next. Right, so we go into humans. By the way, all these are P5 stuff. We're just doing a revision. Right. Okay, so our body also undergoes changes as we grow from a child into an adult. So we have two diagrams here showing the male and the female reproductive system. Okay, so for the female, there's a womb. What's the purpose of the womb? Womb.
Where the baby
Yeah, right?
grows.
Yeah, okay, the fetus grows, takes 9 months. Okay, gestation period of 9 months for the baby.
What does fetus mean?
Fetus, okay, fetus is an undeveloped baby. Right? Why don't we call the fetus baby? Because it doesn't look like a baby.
Oh,
What does it look like? What does it look like when we were all like tiny little? No, it looks like a little alienish, you know. Really, right? It doesn't really look like a baby, so we don't call it a baby. Okay, there are actually different names given to different stages. First one is actually called the zygote.
The who?
Yeah, the zygote. Then after that we have the fetus. And after that the baby. Okay, last
That's
stage.
not a lot.
Zygote is just like one cell and a lot of cells, I guess. Okay, plenty of cells mixed together. Zygote. But this is after fertilization. Fetus, you know, looks like a spine thing. Then they got one tail. Yeah, they got one eye. Okay, so
tail?
baby. Yeah, we have a tail. Don't you know? Right, every one of us have a tail.
I know we have a tailbone, but I don't know.
Yeah, we have a tail, right? It's just that at this stage, right, it will shorten and grow. It actually shrinks to become a tailbone. Okay, why do we have a tailbone? Because
we have tails.
Yeah, right. Later we can take picture. I mean, see a few pictures of fetus with tails, and after that it shrinks. The tail is actually somewhere here like this.
Yikes! What's that?
And then it will shrink as it grows, and then disappear, become a tailbone. Really, right? Because we originate from.
What am I?
From which animal? Yeah, right. So they got have tail, right? Then we also have tail. Okay, it's just that we don't use them anymore. So evolution has removed. You know what's evolution? It went through many years of many generations, right? Since there's no use for the tail, let's not grow the tail anymore.
Tail.
Okay, so no more. So it grows, but we still have the bone. And then in India, there's actually this little kid, the boy. He has a tail.
What type of tail is it?
Like animal tail, right? And then they took him and prayed
not hairy
him.
tail?
They thought he's a god.
A not hairy tail?
No, it's not hairy. It's like a tail.
Like a leg?
It doesn't look like a leg, it looks like a tail. Right? We can try and see, you can find some
Like
pictures
a
of that.
fish tail?
No. It looks like a tail, okay, like a
Zombie.
rat.
Oh.
Rat. Right, so from female, we need the eggs, okay, and where are the eggs produced? In the ovaries. Yeah. Okay, so from the male, right, we need the sperm. So the sperms are produced in the testes. Here, over there. Okay, right?
Wait, it says only one egg is released from the ovary every month.
Yes, only one. Right, so it will take turn. One on the left and then the right, left, right, one. Unless sometimes you get more, and then if both of them get fertilized, you get twins. You understand? If there's only one egg, that's fertilized, it's just one baby. But sometimes you have two, sometimes you have three,
Six?
sometimes you have six.
Is that even possible?
America, the biggest number was 8. Right? So the lady had 8 babies inside.
Yikes!
Right.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, haven't you
Possible.
ever seen all this before? It's like huge, the belly is
I've only heard of triplets.
exploding. No, 8, right? She had 8 babies, right? One shot delivered 8 of them.
8.
Yeah.
How are you supposed to take care of them?
In Singapore, I think our biggest number was 5.
How is it going to go?
Yeah, 5. That fella is
Whoa.
the lady is a Navy officer, I think. Navy, that means she's a military personnel. Right? So she had 5. So we don't know if it's a radar or anything. Okay, so anyway,
soldiers.
yeah, so anyway, this is the picture, and you need to understand and be able to describe the fertilization process. By the way, so here we talk about, you see, the body undergoes many changes as we grow from a child into an adult. Alright, so at what age does that happen? Sorry, grow from a child into an adult.
Girls and boys are different.
Yes, girls and boys are different, right? So for girls, it's about between 10 to 13, right? Girls are earlier, whereas for boys, usually around Sec 2, Sec 3 to Sec 4.
What's
Okay?
that?
Yeah.
When?
So for example, let me just give you an example. When I was Sec 1, that's like 13 years old, I was his height. By the time I was Sec 3, what's your height now? Your height?
146.
Okay, no, I was 1.5 something, 1.5 something when I was Sec 1. By the time I was Sec 3, I shot up to 1.8. So I became like that. So can you imagine Sec 1, Sec 2 like him? Sec 3 become like that. Okay, so that is guys.
You're not 146, you know why? Because I'm 146.
Yeah, so that is
Or I've grown and I don't know it.
okay, that's puberty,
you,
right?
You reached the 150 one.
Did I?
Yeah, you did see.
Oh yeah, I did.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's puberty, right, for guys. So it's still it's the height, right? It's going to come. It's just going to take a while. But the bad thing is that if by the age of 16, right, if the guy still hasn't grown, right,
Then does he have a problem?
that's it already. No, it's not that he has a problem. It's just that that's it lah.
Then
That
that's
fella is not
it.
gonna
He's
grow
a midget.
anymore.
He's not going
He's
to.
not going to grow anymore.
And now he's a midget.
Yeah.
He's a midget.
I hope that happens to you.
I'm not gonna be a midget. I don't want to be a midget.
Okay, alright, so okay, so another thing that you need to understand is about hereditary. Okay, that is passing of these characteristics from the parents to the offspring. Okay, so this word is known as heredity, passing of characteristics.
Like genes.
So for example, yeah, the genes, right? For example, the color of the eyes, yeah, the shape of the earlobes, so on, passed down from the parents to the children. Any other example that you can think of?
Monolith, double lid.
Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, that's all. Okay. How about the length of the hair? No.
No.
Okay. What else?
I can grow my hair as long as I want my hair.
Yes,
Dimples
exactly.
are no different.
Oh, yeah. Okay. How about curly hair?
Yeah.
Yes, possible. Okay. Any others?
Let me think. No shape.
No shape. A bit. A bit. Height. Height.
But
Yes. Height, yes.
mytopia.
The what?
Mytopia.
Mytopia.
Or whatever.
Short-sightedness.
Yeah.
Yeah. Short-sightedness. Yes. Could be.
Cups.
Cups. Yes. Okay. Can be passed now.
Yeah,
They can give it to you, right? But
yeah.
not in the form of growth in
May
your
I
body.
have one?
Yes. Okay. Can you understand?
I
Right.
draw one too.
Okay. So I have some questions for you. Please take a look and try to do that.
Will do.